Hello, my name is Cody Faust, and this presentation is going to be on the excitation, contraction, and coupling theory. We're going to be discussing what happens within your muscles when performing any sort of physical movement or exercise. This presentation will leave the learner with an understanding of the key points, concepts, and terms of the excitation, contraction, and coupling theory. Some key terms to know before explaining the theory are terms such as motor end plate. The motor end plate are post-junctional folds which increase the surface area of the membrane exposed to the synaptic cleft. Also the sarcolemma, which is a thin cell membrane that surrounds the striated muscle fiber. Acetylcholine esterase is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine into choline and acetic acid. The sarcoplasmic reticulum is a specialized endoplasmic reticulum found in muscle cells. The following diagram shows the excitation-contraction coupling theory in a skeletal muscle contraction. The first action to take place when starting an excitation-contraction is where the acetylcholine released from the axon terminal binds to the receptors on the sarcolemma. Then an action potential is generated and travels down the T-tubule. Calcium is released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum in response to the change in voltage. Calcium binds troponin and the cross bridges form between actin and myosin. Acetylcholine esterase removes acetylcholine from the synaptic cleft. Then calcium is transported back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Tropomyosin binds active sites on actin, causing the cross bridge to detach. Then the cycle starts all over again when an individual wants to use their muscles. Some key takeaways from this presentation are that a motor neuron connects to a muscle at the neuromuscular junction, where a synaptic terminal forms a synaptic cleft with a motor end plate. The neurotransmitter acetylcholine diffuses across the synaptic cleft, causing the depolarization of the sarcolemma. Then, the depolarization of the sarcolemma stimulates the sarcoplasmic reticulum to release calcium, which causes the muscle to contract. Thank you and shalom for listening to this presentation. I hope it helped you learn new material.